Here's a quick tip for creating memory books at home. Memory books are a fun way to connect and communicate with a person who's living with dementia. We all use tools to help compensate for our challenges. Eyeglasses help us see, hearing aids help us hear, and canes help us walk. These tools improve our quality of life. A memory book contains written information that can be used to help someone compensate for memory loss. A memory book is a simple story of a person's life. Each page contains a single photograph and one sentence or phrase describing it. Sentences are written in the first person and include the names of people and places in the photos. Here's what you need to get started. A 3-ring binder, preferably with a clear pocket in the front for a photo. White paper, non-glare page protectors, family photos, a computer. Make a written list of the sentences you'd like to include in the memory book. Find a family picture that clearly illustrates each sentence. Print one sentence in large plain letters such as 36-point type size. Make sure the person can read it easily by asking them to read it aloud to you. Increase the print size if needed. Then get to work. Type one sentence on each page and paste in the picture, making it as large as you're able to. Print each page and place it in a non-glare page protector. Put all book pages in a 3-ring notebook. Ask your loved one to help you choose a photo of themselves that brings back good memories for the cover of the book. Next, share the memory book with its new owner. Here are a few tips for using a memory book to have a conversation. Ask the person to have a conversation with you. Guide the conversation by commenting on the photos and the information in the book. Reassure the person and help out when she gets stuck and can't find a word. Smile and act interested in whatever the person is talking about, even if you're not quite sure what's being said. Please don't quiz the person or ask a lot of specific questions. Don't correct or contradict something that was stated, even if you know that it's wrong. Thank the person for talking with you. Try these quick tips for creating a memory book. It will help you to have a better conversation with your loved one with dementia.